To my Africa, welcome to the Azanian podcast. I'm your host, Zinkita Khodolo. He is the son of former President Jacob Zuma, and the president with the MKP leadership has made him the first deputy president of the Umkhonto weSizwe party. That is Duduzane Zuma, my Africa. He attended a conference, a Biz News conference recently, where he made startling statements that he is not a communist and he is a capitalist 100%. A capitalist 100%, yet he is a member of a supposed to be a progressive party. The MKP is supposed to be a party of the left, is supposed to carry the ideology of what a party of the left is supposed to carry. Yet he comes out saying that he is a capitalist. A capitalist is somebody that is in business, that whose interest is only for profit. And communists are saying that whatever the country owns, whatever resources and wealth of the country, that it must be shared with the majority poor of this land. So he's completely coming against anything that is to do, seemingly from that statement, with the progress of black majority. If he says that his interest is in capitalism and he is a capitalist, his interest is profit, it's money making. I don't know, I just think it was a wrong conference to attend. It had clearly white business, white capital in the seats, but also the delivery of it. He seems to be lacking ideology. I think he needs ideologic teaching. He needs ideological training. And for the president of a supposed to be progressive party to make such statements is so careless. It's moving backwards instead of forwards, basically. But otherwise, it seems he is there for his own interest as a business person. It comes across, at least, as he's there for his own interest and interest of building wealth for himself, not necessarily for the black majority. And at this time, leadership in South Africa does not need such people, black leadership. It needs people who understand the dynamics of the country, who understand the level of poverty that is in this country and struggle for the majority of our people. So we'll keep you updated, my Africa.